Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having the most fabulous day. So today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. This item has been on my wish list for a little while now, and how I'm going to do it is I'm going to unbox it, then I'm going to talk about the reasons behind purchasing it, which store I got it from, and the specs of the bag. Without further ado, you guys know the drill. I'm going to talk about what's on my lips, the outfit of the day, and the bag that I wore yesterday. So what's on my lips? One of my favorite lip colors to wear is hot pink, and this one is no exception. This is so gorgeous. So I have a NARS lip pencil, and it is called the Satin Lip Pencil, and it's in the color U. It's a gorgeous little chubby stick. I got this one part of the Mecca Beauty Loop level 3 box. Just really makes an outfit, just gives that gorgeous nice pop of color, which I love. Yeah, it just freshens up your complexion, and it goes with my outfit really well. So the outfit that I'm wearing today, I'm wearing a linen shirt. It's in the khaki color and it's by Equipment. It's a really nice relaxed fit. I'm wearing a H&M tank top that I've tucked into my jeans, and I'm also wearing my Moschino belt. I just love this really simple sort of look, and the bag that I wore yesterday is this little cutie here. So what I have here, this is the Gucci small folio. So it is in the gorgeous pebbled leather. It's got this green printing at the front, and then the back it is plain. I think this is the same pebbled leather as a Gucci Soho Disco, so it's really lush and soft. I just love that screen print at the front. It's just really gorgeous. It won't rub off. And I'll just give you a sneak peek of what's in my bag. It's a great grab and go clutch pouch, nice and casual, goes with everything. It fits plenty. It is really, really gorgeous. I love this. Goes with my outfit so well. I love it. It's really cute. Okay, now moving on to the bag. Oh, look at this. It comes in this huge shopper bag, and I'll give you a sneak peek of what's inside. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Okay, so this bag here I got from the Crown Boutique. Aline and I, we had lunch at Silks, we had yum cha, and since I was at Crown, I was like, why don't we just pop into Louis Vuitton and see if they have anything. And I met this lovely SA, her name's Dani. Hi Dani, if you're watching. She was so lovely. You know, I spoke to her and I asked her if she had this particular bag in like 2 sizes in stock, and she goes, hang on a sec, I'll have a look at the back. And I was just so happy. I was like, I love it when an SA says, hang on a sec, I'll check at the back, you know, it might be a lucky day. And then she came back a few minutes later with 2 big dust bags. But anyway, enough chit chat, I'm just gonna get straight into showing you what's inside. So first off, Dani, she was so lovely, she gave me one of these. It's a little drawer box, and inside you've got the Chinese New Year red pockets, and it's got the gorgeous little dog gold foiling detailing, because this year is the year of the dog. It is so gorgeous, look at that. And then on the back there it's got the little Louis Vuitton lock, which is really cute. And then next in here I've got a little Louis Vuitton card where Dani has put her details in there. So I've got her details there, and then I've got the receipt there, the proof of purchase. And then lastly in here we've got the big box. So this here is the gorgeous big box. It comes with a gorgeous Louis Vuitton blue ribbon, and also my initial, the letter K, which is such a cute little touch that Dani put on this. So what happened was that she was packaging this bag up at the back, and then she comes out the front, and then she asked me, do you want me to put your initial on the packaging? But I didn't hear the word packaging. I actually thought that she wanted to hot snap my bag. I was like petrified at the time, like, is she gonna hot snap my bag? I didn't realize until I got home and had a look at the packaging that, this is where she wanted to put the K. And then under the K you've got a little Louis Vuitton card, which has Louis Vuitton, and then it's got the dog foil prints on there for Chinese New Year, and inside it's got a little white envelope. And then this is the box right here. It's a big box, and it is a big drawer box. So can you guys guess what bag this is? Pull it out like this, and there's a dust bag inside, and then there's nothing else left in there. Put the box here for now. All right, so this is the dust bag. All right, revealing to you, ta-da! Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. So this one here is a Louis Vuitton Palm Springs PM backpack, and it is so adorable. So what happened was I went into the Crown Boutique, and I asked Dani if she had this this bag in both sizes, the PM and the MM, which I tried on for the very first time in the boutique, because usually they don't have it in stock. And you know, as my first try to get this bag, they had it in stock and it was brand spanking new from the back. She didn't have any on display. I've only seen photos, you know, on Instagram, or I've seen videos on YouTube, but I've never actually seen what the sizes are in real life. And to my surprise, these are quite petite. The PM size is quite petite and the MM size is actually not that large. So the reason behind me purchasing this bag is because I'm traveling to New York soon and I wanted a carefree bag, something that's weatherproof, something that would hold a water bottle, a jacket, my scarf, hold all the essentials, and just be carefree and just wear it on my back, you know, something that's not too big but yet not too small. And that's why I chose the PM size. Even though the MM size wasn't so large, I knew that I would get a lot more use out of this size because it is petite, it's cute, can be a bit more dressier, it's a little bit more girly, and later down the track if I have more kids, then you know, it'll definitely be a cute little baby bag. At the front here, it's got the little pocket and it's got a little flap there, so what you do is you just lift this up, and inside it's sort of hard to get into this pocket, but it's got this little pull tab which you can pull out, and inside here it's got a little air pillow, and then you've got the two big zipper pulls here. You just unzip it like so. It's sort of hard to get in and out of there. And on the inside here it's got the black lining and it's got a whole bunch of air pillows. It's quite spacious inside there, and there's a back pocket. In the back pocket here it's got Louis Vuitton made in Italy on it. And on the inside here you've got a little booklet, and inside the booklet you've got a little textile card which says coated fabric, exterior textile lining and calf skin trimming. And I think this book is just a little bit about the history of Louis Vuitton and the monogram canvas and the Damier Ebene canvas. And inside the little pocket here you've just got the little date code. I'll just see if this one can fit in here. It fits in here so easily. You probably put like a mini little laptop inside. It takes a bit to get in and out of, which is great because I just feel more secure, especially having your bag on your back, you know, especially in crowded places. Like if someone were to try and open your bag, you can feel it. I seriously cannot wait to take her traveling with me to New York in April, so cannot wait. It's coming out soon. So that's a wrap for today's unboxing video of my brand spanking new Louis Vuitton Palm Springs PM backpack. I'd love to know your thoughts on this size. Do you have a Palm Springs backpack? And I'd love to know what size you have, whether it be the mini, PM or MM, and do you love it? So that wraps up today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take care. Until next time, I will see you again very soon. Bye. A little bit.